Dylan, who is your favorite lifeguard for real?
Who's my favorite lifeguard for real?
Yeah.
Scott.
Scott's not a lifeguard.
Yeah, he is. He is sometimes.
Quarterman or Luciano?
Luciano.
But how come I'm not your favorite lifeguard?
Because.
You told me I was just a second ago.
Because you always skip. You always skip your shifts.
I do not always skip my shifts.
You always ask for someone to... Look here right here. Evidence. The camera can get the evidence. She
That
always
is-
tries to get out of her shifts. Gabrielle Malta
Vern.
Bernie.
Malta Vern.
12/5, Saturday, 4/9.
That's because I'm scheduled at Sephora. And I also go to school full time. So
Not on Saturdays.
you're mad at me because I don't work with you all the time?
Yeah, because every time you do work for me, you ask for it off.
Really? Is that how it works out?
Yeah, really. So you're not
Now we
even-
never work
You're
together.
not even supposed to be working today.
I know.
And yet, you are.
Guess what, though? I had a dentist appointment, and then I had volunteering, and then I went to Sephora, and I worked at Sephora. And I did work tonight. Actually, I did private lessons. So there. And that's what I was doing till 7 o'clock, was private lesson stuff. So, in your face. And I got paid $12 an hour to do it, while you're only getting paid $8 an hour to do what you're doing right now.
Yeah, but I can tread water longer than you.
No, you can't. You can't tread water with only your feet. And I can. No, you can't.
Why
For
you
like
talk
30
different
seconds.
on the camera?
I don't know. Because it's funny. No, but seriously, who are your top 3 favorite lifeguards?
Can you still see me?
Yep.
Top 3,
For real.
Jesse, Dylan H, and Aubrey. Aubrey's my top.
Aubrey's your top, but that's just because Aubrey's good looking.
No, because she's really nice.
So I'm not your favorite
And she has
anymore.
a great personality.
Fine.